So let's talk about how we can add some structural elements like balconies to our house. So here you see I've got a 2-story house and I want to add a balcony at this stage. So there's a couple of different ways I can do this. So if I go out of 3D and go into 2D, and then I go to surfaces, I can draw a surface in this area. So let's see if I can do that now. So I click on my mouse and go across, keep it in position, click again, take it out, keep it in position, click and take it out. Okay, sometimes that goes wrong. Easiest way is just maybe trying to lay it out in a different way, isn't it? When you take your hand off the mouse and it starts to make a triangle, just delete it and start again. Just start from a different corner perhaps. Okay, so there's my balcony. So let's change the name of it to balcony over here. Balcony. I'll take it off caps. And let's go and see 3D now. Right. So there's my balcony. Thing is about this software, one of the negatives is it does these sort of flat surfaces very thin. So what I might do is just draw a wall underneath that, a very small wall, so it looks a little bit thicker. So if I go back to 2D and I go to here and draw a wall, you can see here you have thickness and you can have wall height. So normally that's the last wall I drew was like 10 centimeters tall. So what I'm going to do is just draw a wall along here to there, and then from that point to there. Okay, actually I'm just going to do that again because I don't think I lined it up that well. So just click on that and delete that, and click on this and delete that. Let's draw it again. So my 10 centimeter wall height there. So I'm going to go from this point out, and then from that point in. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, and I'm done. Got a little bit carried away there, so I'm just going to escape out of that. Remember, whenever you want to stop doing something, if I just highlight that and then press delete, I might have to zoom in a little bit more to do this. Yeah, and then I can delete it. Right, let's go back to 3D, see what it looks like now. And now, well, that's a very tall wall, right? So let's go back to that. Go back to the wall, click on the wall, and let's change the height of it. Yeah, it's reset to 280. So let's take it down to 10 centimeters tall now. And let's see what that, and we're going to do it on this one as well. And that's 280, so it needs to go down to 10 centimeters again. I'll just click in again, press 0, let's see what it looks like now. Go back to 3D. And now, yeah, okay. So what I might do is as well, if you just go and look again, you can see now that the floor is actually beneath the surface of my, the surface is slightly beneath this. So what I can do is go back to my surface again, 2D, right click on my surface and raise the floor. It's at 0 height. So if now I take that to 10 centimeters as well, you'll see now it'll start to make more sense when I look at it. So let's look at it again, 3D, and now you can see that that might be a little bit of a gap there because I didn't line it up perfectly. But you can see it's in the right sort of height, and also it's a different color to my actual sort of wall. So what I could do is go back to 2D, click on the wall, and I want to change the color of that. So let's do it more in materials. Let's say it was some form of tile on that. Let's look at tiles, some sort of floor tiles like that. That makes some sense. Will that work in this environment? Now let's try this one instead. Right, let's see, 3D, and now you see there's the tiles there. One thing that needs to be added to that is I need a fence, yeah, because we don't want people falling off. So let's place some structural elements on that. I can go and choose this set of railings. Railings would be better than fence. Right, let's put that in position there. Right, and then I'm going to make that bigger. So I'm going to increase its size. I'm going to push it across like that to that point. Okay, click off. Let's look at see what that looks like in 3D. There you go again, there's my railing. Okay, go back to 2D and I need that again, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to change its orientation and take it over here. Like that, and then maybe highlight it again, and I want to increase its height, so I'm going to push it down like this to that point so it lines up. Let's look at what that looks like in 3D again, and now there's my balcony and there's my set of railings. There's an easier way to do a balcony, but you're going to get to maybe 3 sets of railings. So if we go back to 2D again, we go to structurals, you can actually see some examples of different balconies here. There's 2 there. Okay, there's other things. We see some more railings, etc. So let's just pick up this one. I'm going to pull it across. And I'm going to stick it inside there. And I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger and take it across like that. Let's see what that looks like in 3D. Okay, and there you see. So that's a much easier way of doing it.